Hi guys, Josiane here. I'm taking the most beautiful walk, meaning that I'm boarding a ship with Celebrity Ascent. I'm so excited and blessed to be able to do this, especially around Christmas time. We know it's going to be something extra special. What did you say?
My show off with a little disclaimer. Just kind of let you guys know and see what you're about to hear for tonight. My comedy is all about truth. I find that the funniest things in life are the truths of life. And during my performance, you will find yourself saying the phrase, wow, that is so true and yet so funny at the same time. Now, having got the way, let's begin. I'm a very fortunate man. I get to travel the world doing what I love. And because of that, I'm always adjusting and adapting to different environments. But one thing I've learned about being on a cruise ship is this. When you're on a cruise ship and you walk around the pool deck, you have to learn to appreciate the human form in all its distortions. There must be something beautiful about aging when you get to an age in your life where you just don't care no more. I had to look at it for 75 years. It's your turn. Enjoy. I mean, when you see an 80-year-old man in a Speedo, that's just wrong, man. It's wrong, man. man, he walked along the pool deck looking like that dog. Kibbles and bits, kibbles and bits. I'm gonna get me some kibbles and bits. And next to her, there was a lady with a butt so big, she could walk along the beach and drag her own butt in the sand behind her, just erasing her own footprints. Just, it's like she turned around, she wasn't even there. And she's wearing a two-piece. Ladies, I've been all over the planet. Where is the 5-foot wide bikini bottom store? Because I've never seen it. I've been to Lane Bryant, they didn't even have that section. But I know y'all enjoying yourself. You came on this cruise to have a great time. I know you guys came on this cruise to try to cheat, coming on this cruise this time of year, going to all these beaches. Come on, man. But y'all know, summer is over. Tanning season's closed. It's time for you white people to lighten up. Time for y'all to go back to original tone. Just be who you really are. I mean, if there's a spot of sun, y'all be on that deck laying out. Just and all the black people on the ship be in the shade watching y'all. That lady been laying there for 4 hours. You better flip over, lady. You better flip over. But you guys, you know, I mean, it's gonna be a great cruise. You got all these places you're gonna go. You're gonna see some beautiful weather. You're gonna enjoy it. You know, if you're gonna lay out, just pace yourself. That's all I'm trying to say. Don't do it, you know, don't do too much. Don't do too much. Because I'm just trying to help some of y'all. Some of y'all from the United States, you live in gated communities. I'm just saying, if you lay out too much this week, you're gonna get back home, you ain't gonna be able to get back in. That's gonna be a problem. Ooh, that guard gonna be at the gate. Is that you, Mr. Peterson? Who you scared me? I'm like, who this yam-colored man drive Mr. Peterson's car? Trying to get in our community.